Welcome, and thanks for choosing Voye Global for an amazing eSIM experience abroad. This guide will help you install your purchased eSIM to your Android device while scanning your Voye QR code, which you received in your email. The installation process is very simple, but it's important to make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and that your QR code is open and presented on another device so you can scan it with your own device. In addition, it's important to know that you can scan your QR code only once. To begin, go to Settings and click on Connections. Go to SIM Manager and click on Add eSIM. Click on Scan QR Code from Service Provider and scan the QR code. Note that this process might take a few moments. You will see both of your SIMs in your SIM Manager now. You can activate your eSIM when you arrive at your destination. Until then, make sure that your primary SIM is selected. We recommend renaming your eSIM to Voye to avoid confusion. Note that Voye gives new customers a 100 megabyte free plan to use in your home country to check that everything works. Simply turn your eSIM on while your Wi-Fi is turned off, and data roaming is turned on in the mobile networks area. Does it work? Great! For any questions, we are here to help. In any case, your purchased plan is activated only when you arrive at your destination and you turn on your eSIM and also data roaming. Last tip, we recommend not removing your eSIM at any time, as you won't be able to use it again once it's removed. Have a great trip, and we are available for any questions you might have.